simultaneously so excited and so scared of this box. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share my next big bassoon adventure with you guys. In this box is the next big bassoon adventure. Inside this box is a bassoon. For those of you that have been following me for a while, you're probably already familiar that I own several bassoons, so I don't need another bassoon to work on my performing career. Rather, inside this box is a bassoon that is old and is in need of repairs. I'm going to unbox this today and share with you what I went out of my way to find, and also what I'm going to be doing in order to learn how to repair this instrument. Hey! Well, Coco is going to help with the unboxing, it looks like. I decided to go ahead and look into bassoon repair as the next level of continuing education for me as a bassoonist. For those of you that have watched the story of the amount of repair that has been needed on my Heckle bassoon, and then also realizing that it needed consistent repair because it does have the tone hole liners, I've realized I just need to be better aware of bassoons and how they work from the inside out. This will also help me to do even better product reviews. I view it as a win-win for all of us. That being said, this bassoon was donated to me by one of you guys, and I need to take a moment to say thank you so much for the community and your constant support. I could not be doing this without you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And let's dig into opening to see what I have in here. Okay, here it is. Let's go ahead and dig into the bassoon. This is the bell. You can tell probably by the label branding, it is a Kohler bassoon. Now, the reason I went with a Kohler bassoon is because the tone holes would usually all be drilled in the right place on a Kohler bassoon, so I have the foundations of something that I know can be good. The boot joint, it does have a ring for the middle finger. When I was speaking with Ken Potsick about what kind of bassoon I should be getting, he did say that because it has a ring on this middle finger that it's just a medium old bassoon. So it's not like old, but it is a medium old instrument. The long joint looks to be pretty good. This is a really beautiful instrument. I know that this instrument was just sitting in the owner's house in the living room, kind of like a showpiece, if you will, just to have on display. So to have it be in this good of condition, it's actually in better condition than I thought it would be. The wing joint, we don't have the G key, so this is not going to allow for some of those high notes. Also, we don't have the high D key, so really going up there into that French bassoon literature is going to be a little bit more of a challenge, but because it doesn't have any of these things, it also gives me the opportunity to possibly learn how to fashion keys and add those on if I think that the bassoon will really warrant that next level of pushing it forward in its bassoon lifetime. Okay, just checking the front pockets. There was not a C-strap included and there was not a bocal included in this, and I'm actually pleased that it doesn't have any of the accessories, because that means that I can go ahead and start looking at accessories to match to the instrument and daydreaming about that. If you want to make sure that you do not miss out on this upcoming bassoon adventure, I will be charting my experiences working on bassoon repair. I am not suggesting that you learn bassoon repair like along with this video, but it's more of me sharing my adventures with you. I also think that this is part of the next step in my career, and also something that I really believe in, because we currently don't have women doing a lot of bassoon repair. Most of the high-level technicians that are out there are men. So to be able to push that boundary a little bit is something that is very exciting for me. Okay, if you are excited about this journey that I am getting started on, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Coco's giving it a solid squeak already. If you don't want to miss any of the future videos of this adventure, be sure to click that subscribe button if you're not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!